My personal settings for autofocus plus manual focus on the GH5 Mark II. This should work on many other Lumix bodies, but the menu system will be slightly different. You can see what page and tab that I'm using as they are highlighted in blue or red. Trying to go slow here, but pause the video as needed. If you own a higher priced lens, the autofocus plus manual focus can be engaged in the menu system and work as designed. However, if you have a more budget-friendly lens, this will not work without some tweaks. Start by setting the camera body to manual focus. As part of this setup, you may also wish to have focus peaking turned on. Here you can set the sensitivity, color, and when it is displayed. Now we can set up back button focus. In the menu system, set the shutter AF to off. I'm using the AF on button in this example for back button focus. Choose a different one if desired. Now go to FN button set in the menus. Choose setting in record mode. Tap to the button you want to use for back button focus and set it to AF on. In my settings, I have also set the picture profile button to auto exposure lock, but that change is optional. Now you have back button focus set up, and the manual focus ring on your budget lens will still work if desired. This may be handy for close-up shots where the camera can't decide what the subject is, or you want to lock focus without fear of the lens constantly searching. Questions, comments, or clarifications welcome.